Hello everyone, my name is Sonu Singh and today's topic Cortana. Cortana was voice assistant developed by Microsoft that used the Bing search engine to perform tasks such as setting reminder and answering questions for users. In 2019, Microsoft began reducing the prevalence of Cortana and converting it from an assistant into different software integration. It was split from Windows 10. In January 2020, the Cortana application was removed from certain markets, and on 31st March 2021, the Cortana mobile application was shut down globally. On 2nd June 2023, Cortana app removed and would be replaced by Microsoft Copilot, an AI chatbot. So now Cortana is totally removed by Microsoft Copilot. Some older version of Windows 10 Cortana is available. Cortana was available in English, French, German, Italian, Spanish, Chinese, some these languages. Cortana task management. Cortana was setting reminders, calendar integration, to-do list, email composition, voice activation. Now, this is how Cortana was working. You ask questions and Cortana will answer. Thank you.